The Miele Triflex HX2 Pro cordless stick vacuum cleaner is a versatile and powerful addition to any home. A modern approach to cleaning, this vacuum combines lightweight design with the robust cleaning power of a full-sized upright. What sets it apart? It's designed with Miele's patented 3-in-1 configuration, allowing users to easily adjust the vacuum to tackle various surfaces and cleaning challenges. Whether you're cleaning hard floors, carpets, or even delicate furniture, the Triflex HX2 Pro adapts to your needs. You can even extend it to clean high areas like ceilings or reach under furniture without breaking a sweat. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, the Triflex HX2 Pro is built for uninterrupted whole home cleaning. Thanks to its dual VARTA Li-ion batteries, you won't have to worry about running out of power mid-clean. The vacuum also comes with 2 charging options and an additional charger and accessory holder, making it convenient for users with larger spaces to clean. It's a well-thought-out solution for anyone needing extended cleaning sessions without the hassle of recharging frequently. Another feature that sets the Miele Triflex HX2 Pro apart is its automatic floor detection. This vacuum features an extra-wide electrobrush that automatically adjusts based on the surface you're cleaning. Whether you're moving between carpets and hard floors, it seamlessly adapts, ensuring effective cleaning on all surfaces. For added convenience, the brilliant light LED headlight helps illuminate dark areas, so no dirt is left behind. And if you have specific hard floor care needs, there's an additional insert for extra precision. As for cleaning performance, the Miele Triflex HX2 Pro is a standout when it comes to filtration. It boasts a maintenance-free HEPA lifetime filter that captures 99.999% of fine dust, allergens, and even viruses. This makes it a great choice for those with allergies or homes with pets. The ability to trap even the finest particles means you can count on cleaner air and a healthier living space. In terms of usability, the vacuum is impressively lightweight and maneuverable. You can comfortably navigate it across different floor types and move it easily between rooms. The 3-in-1 design ensures that no area is out of reach, and cleaning tight spots or high areas becomes effortless. With a focus on user-friendliness, this vacuum can be quickly assembled, and it's designed to be easy to maintain. There's no need to worry about complicated filters or bags, and the dustbin can be emptied without much fuss. However, like any product, the Miele Triflex HX2 Pro is not without its quirks. While it's undoubtedly powerful, it's also a bit heavier than some users might expect from a stick vacuum, especially when fully extended. Some might find the weight a challenge if they need to carry it for long cleaning sessions. Additionally, although the runtime is impressive on low power settings, the suction power does decrease when in higher modes or when the electrobrush is attached. This might be something to consider if you have larger areas or thicker carpets to clean. On the positive side, the vacuum excels in versatility. The multiple configurations provide a variety of options for cleaning every surface of your home, and the performance across floors is reliable. It's also quiet for a vacuum of this power, with noise levels remaining low enough to clean without disturbing the household too much. When it comes to value for money, the Miele Triflex HX2 Pro falls into a higher price range compared to other cordless stick vacuums. But considering the runtime, HEPA filtration, and robust cleaning performance, it justifies its price point for those who need consistent, deep cleaning across different surfaces. If you're a pet owner, allergy sufferer, or someone with a large home, this could be a great investment. In terms of alternatives, you might consider looking at other high-end cordless vacuums like the Dyson V15 Detect or the Shark Vertex Pro. The Dyson offers similar suction power but lacks the unique 3-in-1 flexibility that the Miele provides. On the other hand, the Shark vacuum offers good value at a lower price point but doesn't feature the advanced filtration and automatic floor detection of the Triflex HX2 Pro. Ultimately, if you're looking for a vacuum that excels in cleaning performance, filtration, and versatility, the Miele stands out as a top choice. The build quality is solid, as you'd expect from a Miele product. The vacuum feels sturdy, and the materials used are premium. The attachments are well designed and make it easy to clean various surfaces, including stairs, upholstery, and even your car's interior. Maintenance is straightforward, and the HEPA filter is designed to last, making it a long-term investment that should serve you well for years. While there's no immediate need for customer support with this model, Miele has a reputation for providing excellent after-sales service, should you ever need assistance. If you encounter any issues or need spare parts, their customer service is responsive and efficient. In conclusion, the Miele Triflex HX2 Pro cordless stick vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice for those who value versatility, best strong performance, and top-tier filtration. It's a great option for homes with pets or allergy sufferers and will work well in a variety of settings. If you're in the market for a premium, high-performance vacuum that can handle everything from carpets to hard floors to high spaces, this one should definitely be on your radar. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the comments box for the link to grab one for yourself. See you next time, and until then, keep your spaces clean and clutter-free with Reviewsinside TV.